So guys, what should we do today?
Not sure, Lil'Petey. We haven't decided since today is April Fool's Day. But we'll come up with something soon.
April Fool's Day? I might do something about it. Hey, I got an idea. Oh my god. Guys, look. There's a bunch of storm clouds outside. The storm is coming. Hey, I don't see a storm cloud anywhere.
I don't see one as well. Ha 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 ha.
April Fools. Hee hee hee. You fooled us, Puppycorn.
Let's just head downstairs for now. Guys, bad news. All of the cookies are gone.
What? Huh? There are still some cookies left.
Ha 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 ha. April Fools.
You really got us, sis. I'll be right back, guys. I think I know how to prank them. Guys, help. My doll is gone.
How did the doll vanish?
If I know who would do this, it would be Toad. What? I found it. It was on the floor near our bed. Ha 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 ha. April Fools.
You really got us this time, Lil'Petey.
Thanks for that, Unikitty. At least this is a way to honor April Fool's Day.